Hello guys, welcome back to Digistream FX. Today I'll be bringing to you a new strategy that you can use to trade boom and crash, that can earn you some good amount of money on a daily basis. So first, before I start, I would like to let you know that we are giving a priority to anybody who subscribes to our YouTube channel and then likes and comments. If you do that, you can send us a screenshot on our Telegram contact, and we will be able to join our VIP, whereby you can be able to receive the signals that we use to make our trades, and you'll be able to make some good money. So as always, stick around till the end so that you get to receive the conditions that you are supposed to use to take the trades, and I'm sure you'll like it. So we are going to start. As you can see, we have two indicator windows and the main chart. So I'll remove all the indicators and then we'll install them together so that you get to know how to do it and how to do it correctly. So let's begin. I will begin by removing all the indicators. Also, I would like to let you know that there is a trade I taken after the condition was met. We will be monitoring it, and also after our exit point is reached, we will exit. So let's remove all the indicators from our chart. So I'll delete the indicators and we'll begin installing them together. So this is our current trade that's running. It's on demo, but the strategy is quite good. You can use it on your real account. So the first indicator we're going to use to add is the stock static oscillator on the indicator window 1. These are the settings: K period 60, D period, percentage D period 1, slowing 1, price field close, method exponential, styles. On the main we have a green, on the signal we have red. And then I want you to add these levels: level 10, 55 and 90. Use that styling, and then after that you click done. The second indicator we're going to use is a moving average. And the moving average, you click on indicator window 1, then moving average. The period is 10, shift 0, method is exponential, apply to close, style, let's use blue. Levels, leave that alone, and then click done. The next is now we are going to indicator window 2, where we're going to be using we're going to add the indicators. Click on the main chart, and then we add RSI settings. As you can see, period 14, apply to close. Styling is white. Use white, the background of your chart. Then these are the levels, and then you click on done. And then the Now we are going to have a series of moving averages. Moving average, the first one, we are going to close toward 200. Moving average, period 200, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style is use blue, click on done. Also now we are going to exit our trades. We exit. We are going to exit the trade. We are exiting our trades. Okay, so let's continue with the moving averages. Next moving average is a 5. Shift 0, method symbol, apply to close, style we're going to change the color, you can use orange, done. The next moving average, as I said, it's a series of moving averages. The only thing we're going to change is the period and the color. Let's use purple. The next moving average is moving average 21 zeros, shift 0, apply to close, color let's use pink. The next moving average is period 18, color yellow. Okay, those are the moving averages that we need for our strategy. So yeah, as you can see that our settings are fully installed onto our charts. What I would like to remind you, if you've not subscribed, remember to subscribe, leave a comment and like our videos. Yeah, as we continue, this motivates us to provide you with more strategies that help you to make money. Yeah, so and the zoom level we are going to use, we're going to use the second zoom level. This is the smallest zoom level, so we use the second zoom level. Yeah, that is it. And then you can use this strategy to make buys. You can also use this strategy to take sales. So for example, for boom, I'll highlight the okay, let's begin first by letting you know the conditions. Before we take a sell on boom, we need to have the blue moving average closing up with the red. We also need to see the blue moving average on the indicator window 2 cutting up across all the other moving averages. So for instance, the blue moving average on indicator window 1 close on the red moving average right at this point, and then the blue moving average on indicator window 2 cut across all these moving averages at this point. So let's say we should have ended right here. Should have ended right here. That would have been our end point, and then we all through till all these moving averages on indicator window 2, all these moving averages drop till our take profit point. That's where we exit. So should have ended somewhere here and waited till the candle, the moving averages on indicator window 2 close or cut across the 50 level on indicator window 2. And that's for sale on zoom on boom 1000. Okay, we can also use this for buy. For instance, we would have used these these are the conditions for buy right there. The blue moving average cuts across the red moving average at the buy level on indicator window 1, which is 10. Also, we need to confirm that the blue moving average on indicator window 2 cuts across all the moving averages at level 20, which is oversold. And then after that, we can take our buy trade and ride nicely all the way up. That's it for boom 1000. Then we have crash 1000. For us to take our sell, we need the moving average to the blue moving average on indicator window 1 to cut across to cross the red moving average on indicator window 1 at level 90. And then we need the blue moving average on indicator window 2 to cut across all the moving averages on indicator window 2, which is that point. And then we can look for our sell. Which is there. We can enter at that point. Okay, so after that, you can hold all along till the 50 level. You can hold all through to the 50 level. Also, if you have a big account, you can hold the trade till the 20 level, which is the oversold. The 20 level right there. You can hold till the 20 level, and you'll make quite some good money. For instance, if you look, this trade went up to 68.99 and dropped all the way to 68.18. If you take a look, if you're using some good lot size and you have a big account, you'd have made a lot of money. That is it. You can the buy. Those are the sell conditions for crash 1000. And also, then the sell conditions are the exact opposite. The buy conditions are the exact opposite. For instance, these are the conditions. The blue moving average should cross the red moving average on indicator window 1 at level 10. That's the first condition. And then the second condition, the blue moving average should cross all the moving averages on indicator window 2 at level 20. After that, you can be able to take your buy, which is at this point. That's when the blue moving average on indicator window 2 closed the last moving average. So almost at this point, let me highlight the point. Almost at this point. Just a moment. Almost there. and then you can ride up with the trend all the way to the oversold level. So you can exit somewhere immediately. That this red moving average touches the 90 level. You can exit at that point. So that is a buy. That is a buy condition for that trade. If you follow up well and keenly, you're going to make a lot of money. If you have any question on the same, you can put a comment on our comment section, and we will highlight and will respond to the same. So that's it. Also, if you want to make sure you get a good you spot the correct crossing of the moving averages, move the chart until almost to the dollar sign there, and then if the moving average cutting across the red and the other moving averages on the indicator window 2 does not move, you can take your trade. You are sure that is a correct crossing of the moving averages. Also, I would like to let you know that we have account management programs. If you like us to manage your account, you can reach us through our Telegram link, our Telegram inbox, and we'll able to help you out. Yeah, so that's our today's strategies. It will provide to you a lot of opportunities, so follow up, and I'm sure you will make some good money. This one is coming up nicely, but the blue moving average on indicator window 2 is yet to cross these moving averages, so we cannot take a trade. Let me see if there is any trade we can take. Let me see. Unfortunately, there is no trade we can manage to take for now, but you can follow the conditions I have shared and you will get good opportunities. Also, just to give you a trick, if when you take a trade, for instance a buy trade on this 15 minutes chart, if you have a small account, just focus on up to 3 candles, and when they close, you exit your trades, and that way you will be able to make some good money. So thank you for watching till this point. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget that we are giving opportunities to those that would like to join our VIP. You just subscribe, like, and then inbox us on our Telegram channel or inbox, and then we will be able to add you to our VIP. Thanks a lot.